It's a long list.
Oh ya, selama saya di sini saya sangat menyukai kalian semua ya. Oke.
And for that, I'd like to thank the principal and the teachers for being key in raising and educating them and learning their manners.
Ya, dan juga kepada semua guru-guru ya, ucapannya terima kasih juga karena sudah sangat baik menyambut selama di sini. Oke.
And I'd like to thank the students for taking what the teachers have learned and applying it. I think as a teacher, seeing the students, the effect of their learning is something we cherish and love.
Iya, ya melihat siswa-siswa semua mereka sangat menyukai anak-anak ibu ya. Semoga nanti dia juga bisa mengajarkan anak-anak ibu semua di sini. Oke, good. Oke, thank you.
Start off by saying thank you to the principal of the school, Mrs. Itawati.
Ya.
Thank you to the English teacher, Mrs.
Oke. Ya, ucapan terima kasih kepada kepala sekolah Ibu Ritawati SPDSD. Oke, ya.
And I would also like to thank all the teachers in general.
Dan semua siswa-siswa di sini ya. Oke.
The school has really welcomed me well and in Aceh, and if you go to Australia, please don't forget to let me know.
Oke, jika kalian semua punya kesempatan ke Australia, give information. Tolong beri pesan atau kasih nanti apa? Kasih beritahu kepada Mr. itu kalau kalian sampai ke Australia ini ya. Oke, good.
And last but not least, I appreciate the beautiful experience that all of you have given me.
Ya, saya sangat